TTT-Video represents a breakthrough in artificial intelligence video generation, enabling the creation of coherent video content up to 63 seconds long. This innovation addresses the long-standing limitation of AI video generators that previously could only produce clips lasting 3 to 5 seconds. The technology introduces a novel test-time training method that solves content consistency issues in long-form video generation, potentially transforming the landscape of AI-created media. The breakthrough technology. Traditional AI video generation models face significant constraints when attempting to create longer content. These limitations stem from the fundamental architecture of transformer models, which experience quadratically increasing computational costs when processing extended sequences due to their self-attention mechanism. This computational burden has historically restricted AI-generated videos to brief clips, making coherent storytelling virtually impossible. TTT-Video tackles this challenge through an innovative approach that combines local attention with specialized global processing. The technology retains the attention layers of the original pre-trained model for processing each 3-second segment, while simultaneously introducing special test-time training layers to handle long-distance relationships across the entire video sequence. This dual processing architecture enables the system to maintain both local detail and global narrative coherence. Technical implementation details. The TTT-Video project builds upon the CogVideo X5B model, a diffusion transformer specifically designed for text-to-video generation. The research team, comprising scientists from Berkeley, NVIDIA, and Stanford, implemented several key innovations to achieve the breakthrough. Introduction of TTT layers that process both the global sequence and its reversed version, with outputs combined through gated residual connections to maintain information flow. Context extension through strategic interleaving of text and video embeddings throughout each segment, providing consistent reference points. A progressive training methodology that begins with fine-tuning at the original 3-second video length before gradually extending to 9, 18, 30, and finally 63 seconds. This technical approach allows TTT-Video to function as a neural network with highly expressive hidden states, providing significant advantages over alternative architectures like Mamba layers that struggle with complex multi-scene narratives. Impressive demonstration results. The research team chose the classic cartoon Tom and Jerry as their test case, generating stylistically consistent and coherently animated videos approaching 1 minute in length. The results demonstrate several remarkable achievements: complete elimination of editing, splicing, or post-processing requirements, with the entire video generated in a single pass. Creation of entirely original content featuring scenes that don't exist in the source material. Maintenance of coherent character actions, scene transitions, and basic storylines throughout the extended duration. While the generated content shows impressive consistency, some Reddit users have noted that the overall narrative coherence still has room for improvement. One commenter remarked that Tom's limb movements sometimes appeared unnatural, and that the content still felt like a collection of random, unrelated events. Despite the technical achievement, comparison to existing methods, the TTT approach demonstrates superior performance compared to competing methods for long-form content generation. When tested against baselines including Mamba 2, gated DeltaNet, and sliding window attention layers, TTT layers generated significantly more coherent videos capable of telling complex stories. Implications for creative industries. The development of TTT-Video represents a significant step forward for AI creators across multiple domains. The technology opens possibilities for production of longer, narrative-driven AI video content without manual splicing of shorter segments, solutions to persistent issues of consistency and coherence in extended AI-generated media, new creative workflows that combine human direction with AI implementation for storytelling. The introduction of 1-minute video generation capabilities marks an important milestone in AI-assisted content creation, potentially enabling new forms of entertainment, educational content, and creative expression. Future developments. While the current implementation demonstrates impressive capabilities, several limitations remain. The CogVideo X5B parameter model size constrains overall generation quality, suggesting that future implementations with larger models could yield even more impressive results. The research team has released TTT-Video as an open-source project, inviting community participation in further refinement and extension of the technology. TTT-Video breaking the limits of traditional video generation. As this technology evolves, it opens doors to new possibilities for storytelling, creativity, and innovation. What do you think about AI generating full-length videos? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI updates. See you in the next video.